Using a plain paper. First, we'll create a nib ladder. 2 nib width for the descender line, 5 nib width for the X height, and 2 nib width for the ascender line. Then, we'll create the horizontal guide. After that, we'll create the vertical guide. Please note that the vertical guide does not have any exact measurement. These lines will just serve as a guide when you're creating your strokes to keep them straight and consistent. On my video, I only use the grid on my ruler. Using a grid or dotted grid paper. First, we'll create a nib ladder. 2 nib width for the descender line, 5 nib width for the X height, and 2 nib width for the ascender line. Then, we'll create the horizontal guide. You don't need to create the vertical guidelines, as you can use the grid or dotted grid to guide you when you're creating your strokes. Using a lined paper. First, you need to rotate your paper or notebook. This way, you will automatically have vertical guidelines. Then, we'll create a nib ladder. 2 nib width for the descender line, 5 nib width for the X height, and 2 nib width for the ascender line. Then, we'll create the horizontal guide. Now that we're ready, let's start with the drills and see you on the next video.